We're getting there.
Somebody else would do some more work. Be done already.
Yo, what you talking about, Witness? I've been slaving here. You see these hens? These hens have built a center for ants.
What is this? A center for ants?
This guy's actually doing work over here for once.
Trying to.
Look at him. Look at him. You been sweating a little bit in there?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, man.
Yo, we're almost here. We're in the home stretch.
What we got left?
We got...
What are you messing with?
Right now we're messing with this little clamp here that's connected to the the lower intercooler pipe. And then we have a not a grommet. Would it be a grommet? No. But
Coupler. It's a rubber
rubber coupler that's going into the throttle body next. We have all this upper intercooler piping fixed. It's good. It's all in, clamped down, tightened. And then we have it connected going into the new Mishimoto intercooler itself. All powder coated black. Looks sick. And then we have then that's the rest of the lower intercooler piping going around into the bottom of it. And the red looks awesome. It was powdered by whatchamacallit, ACR.
ACR powder coating?
ACR powder coating did a phenomenal job with that. So, what's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how the intercooler install went in. As you guys saw, I didn't show you the whole thing because Greg and I, we really just wanted to get over with and kind of just get the intercooler in so we could get working on his truck and then get home to our families. A big thanks to Greg for helping me put this in. He took the time out of his day to help me come put it in, and I appreciate that, so thank you, buddy. So now over to the intercooler. So you can see here we have the upper intercooler piping all connected. It looks awesome how ACR powder coated it red. And then it comes down, you can't really see it because it's behind the bumper, but here you have the black Mishimoto intercooler right here. I love like the stealthy look, and it's huge, like it just fits. You can see it just fits in here. And then when we come around here, you can see a little bit of the lower intercooler piping coming out. And then we look down here and we can see a lot more of the lower intercooler piping coming up to the blow-off valve as well as the throttle body. Now that was Saturday that we installed the intercooler in to the Evo, and on Tuesday I then had a scheduled appointment with Iveytune and went over to Iveytune and met up with Sean and Alvin over at Iveytune. They did a phenomenal job. Stock Evos, they'll tell you they have 290 horsepower, but what they mean is that's not to the wheel, that's to the crank. So when we did the tune, it was 240 horsepower to the wheels, which is, depending on the dyno, you'll either get 235, 250, so it all depends. But we started off with 240 to the wheel, and after we tuned it and everything, we ended up with 317 horsepower and 336 pounds of torque. So I was super happy with how it came out. I can feel the power like increasingly, like insane how well I can feel it. And I'm just so happy with how it looks and how much power I got out of just this one tune. I just want to give a big shout out to Greg, Sean, and Alvin for helping me out take my Evo to the next level. And I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.